Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend, and welcome to this new video in which we'll talk about Ethereum. In this video we'll talk a little bit more about the fundamentals, kind of the market right now. But apart from that, also the technicals. What's going on right now? What can you expect? Have we actually turned bearish? And while doing that, we'll also zoom out a bit more. Right now, we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. We'll zoom out to the daily time frame to actually get a better overview of some potential amazing buy opportunities for Ethereum, because they are still there. And if you compare Ethereum right now with Ethereum in about 2 years, I still think that the current price levels are great buy areas. But all right, that I think most of you agree with me. But that's obviously not why you're watching this video. So before we get into Ethereum specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. And you'll also find a sign-up link with BYBIT, in my opinion, the best exchange to use for trading. So if you're interested in that, then you right now have a $30,000 deposit bonus at the maximum. You probably won't get that, but still. They do have deposit bonuses for depending on how much you deposit. So check that out. But now onto Ethereum. So to do a quick recap, yesterday we continued the bearish momentum. We gave up our support level at around 1920. We were before that technically still bullish. Right now, I would argue on the short term we are bearish. We dropped down to this level around 1820, which we're still above. If you would have said that to anyone at the beginning of April, they would have said, well, that's bullish, right? But right now it really isn't. We received a lot of bearish fundamental moves, is always what I call them. So with no clear direct reasoning. Probably sell-offs also. If you, for example, take a look at the 15-minute, you can see that throughout this bearish momentum, we were basically plagued with all of these big candles, right? They really brought us down. You see these big candles. Usually we kind of hold up or we hold support levels and then we push through with these big sell-offs. That's just whales and institutions selling. All right, but if you zoom out to the daily time frame, so right now we're holding at 1820, but I mean we have a lot of resistance levels, and it looks quite likely that we will drop down further. Now, if you zoom out to the daily time frame, what you'll see is that we have had this before. Right, we had a little bit of this bearish momentum at the beginning of February. We had it at the beginning of March. So this is not something new, also not in this bearish momentum. So does it necessarily mean that this is the end? I don't think so. I do think, I mean, right now, if you just purely take a look at the technicals now, you would say that, and I'm just going to drag this down a little bit, you would say that right now we are at a strong support level, which I agree with. I just think that there's... like historically, you could also see at the beginning of March, we actually fell down more from the top. In March, we fell down from the 19th of February to the beginning of March, we fell down about 20%. And right now, also with the Ethereum withdrawals turned on, which technically and practically increases selling pressure, we've only dropped down 14%. Now, if we would drop down 20% or a bit less even, we would actually reach another amazing, strong support level. And that's what I expect. I do not expect to reach that soon, to be honest, but in general, that's what I expect. For now, you can see that around that 1820 level, which I'll actually reduce back to this. It looks a little bit better. We also have that 50 EMA. So on the short term, I do think we can hold that level, especially in the weekend. In the weekend, the volume is notoriously low, as most of you know. So I think we'll be able to hold this for a bit longer, but and might maybe even get some bullish momentum up towards that 1900 and 1890 level. But eventually I do think that we'll have a bearish breakout through 1830 and a drop down to that 1720, 1700 level. Now that's an amazing support. I will be buying Ethereum there. I'm already telling you now. Yeah, I'll keep you updated on Ethereum before we hit that. As I said, I do not expect something like that to come very, very soon, but still. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. For now, enjoy your weekend. Don't forget that, and thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.